Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make Jamaican festival with saltfish and tomatoes. This was my New Year's breakfast, and I'm also going to show you guys a little sneak peek of how my New Year's went. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, right here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going with my half cup of cornmeal. So I went in with half teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And this is 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So right here I'm just combining all that ingredients that I just added to my bowl. So I'm just making a small hole inside the middle, then I'm going to add my water. You can add milk right here. I didn't have any milk, so that's the reason why I use water. So right here we'll add 3-4 cups of milk, which I did add water as I said before. And as y'all can see, it is coming together. So this is my saltfish, which I'm going to add with the festivals. It is already cooking, as y'all can see. So here is the dough. It is done, and I'm going to let this sit for a little while, then I start to make them. So right here I'm just rolling a little piece, make 3 small balls, then I roll them up inside my hand to make a long dough. So I'm slowing down the video a little bit to make you guys see how they are done. Just roll them in the palm of your hands back and forth, and that's how you do it. So when you're rolling the dough, just ensure that you get 3 equal parts before you start rolling them out. So all I'm going to do right here is to place each top over each other and then make a plait. So this is how you do it. I'm just gonna do one on camera, and then I do the rest off camera. So you have to tuck in the 2 edges so that it don't pull out when you're frying them. So this is all of them look. This is how I do it. And now we're gonna get some oil into a non-stick pan to fry them. So you got to ensure that they have a little space inside the pan so that they have space to rise a little bit. So you're going to fry these on both sides until they are golden brown. So now that they're done frying, it's time to take them out and place them on napkins so that they can drain the excess oil off them. So now I'm going to place the remaining 2 festival into the pan and fry them off camera. So I use the same pan that I used to fry the festivals in to make the saltfish and tomatoes. First I went in with some chopped onions, then I went in with some scotch bonnet pepper, So right here I'm going in with my chopped tomatoes. This is about one medium sized tomato, and then I went in with my saltfish. So right here I'm just going in with some black pepper and some other seasonings. You don't have to add any other seasoning if you don't want to. So you can also add your favorite vegetables to this recipe as well. It doesn't matter what you add, it will give you a better taste. So make it yours. So this is what it looks like after adding the seasonings, and here is the finished product. Yeah guys, so this is what's up.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. My turn, my turn.
So guys, this was New Year's dinner. I had some gungo peas and rice, some lettuce, tomatoes, baked sweet and sour chicken, got some ice cream, got some juice right there, popcorn, and you gotta watch movie after dinner. So now they're dished it out. Y'all see, and it's time to get in there. So I was feeling myself when I went ahead and take a video and some pictures, and also a little snip of the movie that I was watching. So yes guys, this is all my New Year's went. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thank you all for watching. Comment down below and let me know how you guys New Year's went. Peace, I'm out.